MailJam review. Hello friends, I am Sid and today I am here to review MailJam by Udip Parmanik, Akshat Gupta and Venkatesh Kumar, launching on 7th September 2020 at 10 a.m. EST. So what is MailJam? MailJam is basically an all-in-one solution for all your email marketing needs. It's a cloud-based app which includes everything that you need to create, send, track and profit from your email marketing campaigns. MailJam allows you to build a massive email list and send unlimited emails at your fingertips without any monthly fee or restrictions. The best part is you'd almost certainly see an improvement in open rate and delivery rate compared to traditional autoresponders. It's basically a unique email marketing tool that can help you build a huge email list and improve conversion and profits from your email marketing campaigns. The key features of MailJam are that it's fully cloud-based autoresponder. You can send unlimited number of emails to unlimited number of subscribers. Basically, you can automate the whole email marketing process. The best part is there's just a one-time payment involved and you do not need to worry about any recurring monthly fee, which is a key part of traditional autoresponders. MailJam has an inbuilt drag and drop editor which allows you to create some attractive email marketing campaigns for your subscribers. It also has an inbuilt API integration option. It also works in any niche, be it e-commerce, affiliate marketing, blogs or any other niche. MailJam is a simple to use software and even complete newbies would find it extremely easy to use, making it user friendly for anyone, be it a newbie or an experienced marketer. So basically MailJam will completely transform the way you do email marketing. So let's see how the members area of MailJam looks like. So this is the members area of MailJam. Once you log into the members area after making your purchase, this is how it will look like. You have the campaigns where you can either create a new campaign by clicking here or check your ongoing campaigns. Then we have the lists where you can check your existing lists or create a new list. Remember, you have the option of creating unlimited number of lists and having unlimited number of subscribers with MailJam. Now the templates, this one you have either the option of using the inbuilt templates which are pretty attractive, or you can create one of your own from scratch. So this is how the members area will look like once you make your purchase. If you decide to purchase it through my link which you will find in the description of this video, you'll get some great bonuses. My first bonus is how to build a buyers list, where you'll learn how to build an email list and profit from it. My next bonus is how to make a squeeze page, which is a basic requirement for any email marketing business to succeed. My next bonus is Buyers List Ninja, where you will learn how to build an email list and profit from it on a consistent basis. My next bonus is List Building on Steroids, where you will learn how to build a huge email list fast and earn great commissions from it. My next bonus is the 7 deadly sins of email marketing, where you will learn things you should never do when you are doing email marketing if you want to succeed with it and make profits from it. Once you click the first link in the description of this video, you will be taken to this page, and you can click on any of these blue tabs which will take you to the sales page of MailJam, and you can make your purchase. And once you make your purchase, you will get all these bonuses along with your purchase. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to be notified when I come up with review videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.